So let's get straight into it. I'm going to break the song bit by bit. So let's start off by placing both pinky and annular fingers on the G and D strings, 6th fret. From here we're going to do a slide to the 7th, keeping the same finger pattern onto the 8th and 9th fret. When we get to the 9th fret we have to add an open E, and followed by the bass line interchanging 7th fret and open E. So all together. For the main part of the song, we're going to repeat all the same notes from the introduction, but once we get to the 9th fret, we're going to mute all the strings. As you can see, I place my index finger slightly on top of the 7th fret, so it's ready to execute a bar chord and begin the melody. We play the 7th and 8th fret of the B string, adding the bass on the 2nd note. Then the 8th and 9th fret of the G string with an open E. Repeating the first bit of the melody, followed by the 8th and 7th fret with an open E, letting go of the bar we had. So all together. From the top. Okay, so once we did that, we play an open E string, go to the 3rd position, pressing down on the 3rd fret with a partial bar. So basically I'm just using the lower part of my index finger right here, and then going to the 7th fret with a bit of a stretch. Do not lift your pinky finger just yet, as we're going to go to the 6th fret in combination with the 5th fret B string and 3rd fret A string. Keep in mind that we're doing a full bar when doing this. While these notes are ringing, hold the bar, add bass notes on the E and A strings, 3rd fret. Note that these notes are muted almost straight away. Okay, melody continues with the pinky playing the 5th and 3rd fret of E string, then B string with the bass note, returning to the 5th fret, B string, following it by a bass note and its octave. And then performing the staccato bass notes like before. So from the top. Okay, now let's repeat the first half of the melody until we encounter the 7th fret E string and open E. From here we have to regress to the 8th fret B string, returning to the 7th fret E string, and then shifting all the way to fret 12. Now this part right here is very similar to what we did previously. It's the same thing, but just keeping a bar on fret number 8 and starting the melody on fret 12. With some bass notes in there, and then move straight away to the 3rd fret, A string, 2nd and 1st frets E string. So all together. We repeat the first part. Once we stop on the 9th fret, we go into the single note sequence. To do that, we begin by sliding from the 10th to the 12th fret, E string, going backwards, 10, 7, B string, 10, 8, 9th fret, G string, and returning to the B string, bending the 10th fret 4 times. All together. Now onto the last part of the song, but before that I invite you to please give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel for more future content. Thanks a lot. Okay, play the 8th fret of the B string along with an open E, fret 9 and 7th on the G string, then play fret 9 twice with bass on the first note. The bass note on the 7th fret. So all together. For the second part of this riff, we played the same melody, but with different bass notes on the 8th fret E string and 7th fret A string. So it'll sound something like this. All together. Note also that I'm using a bar on the 7th fret to tackle both A and E strings. So for the final note, we have an E note extravaganza. Open E, fret 9 G string, and 12th fret E string. Make sure you mute straight away after playing this. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. Or if you want to learn any other songs in the future, let me know. Thanks so much and happy playing. Bye bye.